Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Winds Tarot, and this is your January love and work forecast for Taurus. If your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Taurus, this reading is for you. If you know in Taurus, you can cross watch it for them. Make sure to subscribe Magic Winds Tarot. Subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Instagram. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwindstarot.com. Friends, also this is a general reading, it may or may not resonate. So check your 2022 horoscopes and pick a cards. Links are in the timestamps. So, how are you, Taurus? Let's see the theme of the month of January. For Taurus. Wow, the Knight of Cups. So, definitely, this is a very lovey dovey month for you, Taurus. I also feel this is, okay, sorry for that. This is, a month where a lot of love is coming your way, a lot of news, messages are coming your way. And the Magician, yes, you are a powerful manifester this month, Taurus. You are definitely working on manifesting, making your dreams come true. The Lovers, yes, this is a month of choices for you. So get ready if you feel you have less choices right now. The month of January is going to bring you, open new doors, open new things in your life, bring you more choices. I also feel this is. I think Taurus, you are trying to manifest something, achieve something, achieve a dream, a goal, a person, a relationship, a marriage, a wedding. Yes, it is high chances of it happening in the month of January. Yes, I do feel it will happen. A Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is also important. I also feel this is a month of choices for you where you can focus upon love, you can focus upon work, you can focus on anything you want. And the Five of Pentacles, yeah, I do feel some of you may actually feel like you need more money this month, or you want, like, you are trying to manifest more money or material success, monetary success. Yes, it is going to happen for you, Taurus. I do feel some of you have been feeling restricted or unlucky when it comes to work, career, or money. This is going to change, friends. This is going to change in the month of January, and you will have more love, more support, more choices. I do see a union. I do see a a celebration, a sort of a relationship coming for you, Taurus. So, yeah, if you are already married, love is more stronger. Let's see your love life. For Taurus, their love life. Oops. Okay, let's take it. Taurus, their love life in the month of January. All right, so Taurus, get ready. Exciting month. Exciting month. Let's see. So I feel you start the month of January, first week focusing on work. You're all work, no play, no love, nothing. You're just working. I see you are very busy. Ten of Pentacles. I do see you could be taking time to focus on your career. Also, you are helping your family members. Your family may need your more support, more time, more energy. I don't know. Also, I feel some of you are worried about tax issues in the first week of January. I have no idea why, but some of you are absolutely worried about money, career, and it's kind of affecting your love life in the first week. Seven of Swords. I do feel somebody from the past will try to come in back into your life. Someone who has ghosted you, blocked you, or who has not been in contact since a long time. Four of Wands. Yeah, this person could have been married. They want to come back again, or they want to initiate contact with you. I also feel this person and you once discussed marriage, and they want to be back again in your life. Also, in the first week, you could be married with this person, but whatever is happening, you are busy. You are very busy on your work and career, and you definitely have little time, Taurus, in the first week for love and romance. Let's see the second week. Oh, wow. Second week, yes, this person from the past is coming back. They are trying to win you at every cost. They feel guilty, they are crying, they want you back. Page of Wands, this person could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, and they are coming with a lot of passion for you, Taurus. I also feel finally this is the week when your focus in love is back. You know, when you feel like, yes, you feel more passionate, more aggressive about love. The Empress, yes, you and this person have a very, very special connection. This person and you share a very deep, nurturing connection with each other, and it could be that this person and you, I do feel that, mother could be a problem in this connection, or mother is affecting, mother or mother issues, childhood issues are affecting your love life in the second week of January. The Ten of Wands, again I see, your love life, your partner is under pressure. Maybe they are married or they are going through some third party issues, family issues, restrictions. They could be a single parent, so they are going through certain issues, Taurus, and that is affecting your love life. But Ten of Cups, I do feel even though your partner is having certain issues, there will still be a lot of love, a lot of harmony in your connections, Taurus. I also feel even in the second week you are busy with family, you are taking care of family, but you will still be able to manage some time for your love life. Also, if you are married, there are issues about pregnancy which is affecting you in the second week. Let's see the third week. Oh my god, third week is very, very strong. Third week is a very strong week for you. The death, transformation. You are ready for change, Taurus. You want to change something in your love life. You are ready for change. You want your partner to change. You want yourself to change. There is a lot of passion. There is a lot of Scorpio energy affecting you in the third week. Eight of Cups, some of you may actually decide to walk away from a person, walk away from a relationship, walk away from families, shift, relocate, because somehow I see your family could be draining your love life, or it's affecting your health or something. The Two of Wands, yes, I do feel the third week is the time when you need to be mature. If your person is not behaving maturely, Taurus, you may end up walking out, or if you are not behaving maturely, big things can happen, big shifts can happen in the third week. Let's see the final week of January for Taurus. Yes, I do see that final week. You may be a little stressed out in the final week of January. Also, there is a little bit of hurt and pain going on because of the third week. But this relationship is not over. You guys are still together, and I do see there will be a lot of forward progress and promises being made in the final week. So you will be able to save your relationships, Taurus. And yeah, it's a tricky month, but yes, there is choice in love. You will have to face your fears. You are facing your fears and manifesting love, Taurus. So advice for Taurus: victory and success. You're gonna be successful and you're gonna be victorious. You have to believe in it. Fertility, again, marriage is important. Again, issues of fertility, pregnancy are important. If you are married, these could be the issues which are a problem. Heartache and loss, yes, you have to heal your heart. Some of you may be upset with a partner because they are hurting you, but I think it is not them, it is their mother or their childhood issues affecting this connection. So you have to keep that in mind. Material and spiritual prosperity. No matter what is going on, Taurus, you are still successful at your work and spiritually. So keep that in mind. And choose wisely. Yes, you will have to choose wisely, Taurus. There will be times in this month when it could be a break point for a relationship. You will have to choose smartly. You will have to choose long term what you really want, Taurus. So give it some thought right now, okay? Let's see your work and career. Emotional loss, discontent and boredom. Heart chakra. The third eye chakra. Oh my god. And deception and envy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so first things first, Taurus. Firstly, some of you are, enjoying your work life in the month of January, but you feel like there is something more you can do in your life. Like you are happy where you are, but there is something more. You feel also that you can earn more money in your life, in your career, and you may feel a dissatisfaction with your current work, career, or your education. Some of you may feel like you can do much better than where you are right now. Some of you may also be feeling some sort of you feel very attached with your career, you feel very attached with your work, your gifts. Some of you may actually want to work on a passion, a hobby in this month, but you are like, how can we make more money out of it? How can we make it into a profitable career option? So some of you may actually be like, how to do that? You are working in a job, but you want to work with your passion, with your hobby, but how? And that's the big question. Deception and envy. I do feel some of you may actually feel unhappy because others are succeeding much more or at a faster rate than you are, and this may cause you a little worry. Like, even if you are a student, you may feel like you should have come first, or you should have been given the first award, but somebody else got it because they played favoritism or something like that. So you may feel like people are succeeding much more in this month rather than you. But remember, use your intuition. Sometimes deception, quick success is not long lasting success. You must remember that. You must use your intuition. Also, there are a lot of ideas coming for you, a lot of lucrative ideas, inspiration. You must use them. I also feel that there may be people at your work and career who may promise you a lot, but they may actually be false promises, so be careful of that. I also feel you are very close to your work and career, and your how you feel emotionally will affect your work and career this month. So also your love life will affect your work and career. Like, you may have to shift and relocate because you want to be close to a lover. I also feel your family issues may also affect your work and career. So just take some, financial and material changes. Yeah, I do feel changes, positive changes are coming your way, Taurus. You just need to listen to your intuition, and you just need to be patient. Don't compare your life with others, don't compare your success with them. Because, quick success is not long lasting success. We often forget that, but long lasting success is something which may not be happening quickly, but which is eventually long lasting. Transformation, look at that. So yes, big changes are coming. This is a month of big changes for you in your love, work, and career, and spiritual growth. Yes, it is a month where you should see things spiritually, and you must focus on growing forward. Strength and guidance. I do feel you will have a lot of divine signs, divine messages guiding you, and I also feel you are very strong and you will connect with your power. So this is a month of choices. What you want, Taurus, you can choose and you can manifest it. Let's see all these cards for you. October, the month of October is important. Fly, a period of ill health. Wow, so some of you could actually have a little bit of anxiety, depression, or some sort of a stress this month. Pay attention to your health. Yeah, please do take care of your health, friends, because I do feel some of you can worry too much. Finger, warning of a problem now or in the near future. Okay. Excitement, you're gonna feel a lot excited this month. Open opportunity or windfall. Carrot month, I see money is coming your way. Plenty of material things. Yes. Cup, you should accept valid criticism. I think there will be friends, friends or family who will say like, oh, why are you following your passion when you are doing such a good job? Why are you leaving that career for a business, for a startup? I think you should listen to your heart. Short journey, yes, some of you will be taking a trip or journey this month. Situations in the balance that require careful handling. So yeah, you requires some planning is necessary. A journey, either physical or mental. Carriage, Dagger, fear, worries, or tense situations. I think the biggest problem you may face this month is fear, fear in your mind. And August and October are important, and someone new is entering your life. So it's a great month for you. Happy January. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Wednesday Tarot. Join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.